Guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to cut straight to the chase here just because this video is very exciting and full of action. So just the other day, my boy Buster came through to my house with his TRACKHAWK. He just got it back from Addiction Motorsports. He got a couple of things done to it. He got a couple mods, and now this thing is pushing over 850 horsepower to the wheels, which is insane in my personal opinion, considering the fact that this is a truck, right? It's an SUV. It's very heavy, but let me tell you, we went for a ride in that in the TRACKHAWK, and that thing hauls ass like nothing. So you guys are going to check out that video right now. We did a couple pulls and we did a couple you know, drive-bys on the freeway, stuff like that. He did some rolling shots. I got a couple rolling shots for him. So I'm just going to stop talking so you guys can see the action, because I feel like I've been talking a lot in my previous videos, so it's nice to get some actual action in my videos now. So then let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I'll let you guys enjoy the video. So this thing's pushing like probably over 800 wheel. This is the first time that I'm in his TRACKHAWK actually, and he decided to stop by the house and do a little pulls to see how this car is. He's gonna make me end up modding my own Hellcat after we do some pulls right now.
Let's get it rolling. We're gonna bring the axle.
All right, here we go, boys.
It doesn't even spin. Do you have radials on here? He doesn't have radials, dude. This is straight up street tires. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. What the hell? That was like a high gear pull too.
That was a high gear pull?
Yeah.
So this is the setup that we have for transmission. All-wheel drive. It even says all-wheel drive in it. Yeah. Is there a way to change it from all-wheel drive to like rear-wheel drive or anything, or no?
Nah.
No, it just stays all-wheel drive.
You gotta buy like this other thing.
That's clean. All right, we're gonna go hop on the highway real quick. All right. Oh Jesus. Dude, I have not had that feeling in my stomach for a long time now. Jesus Christ.
God damn, that thing is quick.
For like a tank too, it's an SUV. The crazy thing is the TRACKHAWK, it looks so sleeper too. Like, if anyone drives past it, you couldn't even tell that this thing is pushing like 850 wheel. Like, nobody would even think twice, but god damn. Jesus Christ.
Oh, damn.
All right, guys, now that we are finally in my car again, Jesus Christ, that thing is insane. Makes me want to mod my car, to be honest, but we're gonna go ahead and take some roller shots of him driving on the street right now. Let's go ahead and start her up. Start up my stock Hellcat. You guys want to hear my stock Hellcat? I mean, it still sounds good, but you know, it's just it's not an 850 wheel horsepower Hellcat, unfortunately. In front of me, this TRACKHAWK, Dodge really outdid themselves. They decided to just put a Hellcat engine into a damn family car, and they did not disappoint, because goddamn, this thing sounds so aggressive. It just looks aggressive, but at the same time looks sleeper, right? Like, if you're not a car guy, you don't really know what kind of car you're seeing on the streets. You don't know that this truck right in front of you has over 850 wheel. Obviously, these things come stock with 707, just like any of the other Hellcats. but you cannot tell the difference between just, I mean, if you're a non-car person, obviously, if you're a car person, you see that TRACKHAWK, you see that little badge right there on the back, but besides that, you can never tell that this car is pushing 850 wheel and can gap pretty much the majority of the cars on the street. And this is totally a soccer mom car. And like, you know, in the future, I see my wife totally driving one of these and just gapping everyone on their way to my kid's soccer game. Honestly, it's hilarious. It's so funny. But this car is an absolute menace to all society, and I'm all here for it. My God. Dude, my ears hurt, god damn it. So the only thing he's done to his exhaust is just the cat delete, right? So he still has the mid mufflers and the resonators in the car, and like you can hear that. Jesus. Huh? Yeah? Alright, let's pull over. Alright, so he said his car is getting a little hot. Obviously, it is a hot day today, and we've been doing pulls non-stop just to check out the car. So yeah, we got to pull over real quick. So let's find a spot. All right. I can smell the E from here. Jesus. All right, let's pop our hoods, see who has the bigger dick. All right, let's check out that stock pulley, boys. So it's a hot or what? It's overheating?
Nah, it's not overheating.
It's just getting hot.
Just losing power. It's hot.
So tell me exactly what you did again.
Upper, lower,
upper, lower,
intake,
GLT intake, catch can, thermostat, upper, lower pulley, damn,
injectors,
E85, booster pump. Yeah, this thing's a freaking beast, man. And a cat delete, right?
cat delete.
Jesus. Okay guys, so I was just going over the footage right now, and it honestly puts a smile on my face seeing how fast that car is. I mean, just being in the passenger seat was a crazy experience. It's different. It hits different when you're in the passenger seat of a car, right? So if I'm in my Hellcat and I'm driving, I don't feel like that just because I'm in control, right? But I guarantee you, if I was in the passenger seat and someone else was driving, I'm for sure would get butterflies as well. It just hits different when you're in a passenger seat. But anyways, guys, hope you did enjoy the video. I'm gonna try to do a couple more videos like this in the very near future. Try to get some more people on the channel, just because I feel like I'm talking too much and I'm honestly boring myself. So let me know what you guys think, and drop a comment down below letting me know what videos you guys want to see in the future. Also hit that like and subscribe button, help your boy out. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.